Hi guys, in this video I am sharing with you a very nice course, a complete Android developer course. As you can see, this course is in Udemy. You can easily learn this course. As you can see, the rating of this course, and it's free to enroll. You don't need to pay for this. Become an Android developer from scratch. What you will learn in this course: create these points you will learn in this course. Create your own professional quality Android app, deploy it to the Google Play Store, and interview for a job anywhere in the world. It's a very nice opportunity for those who want to develop applications with Java and Android Studio. Here you can see the requirements and description of the course, and also you can read the reviews people give to this course. And also here you can contact the instructors and mentors. And here you can see also description and content for this course. As you can see, there are many modules you can learn from here. So guys, this is a very nice opportunity, and join this course, and please like, subscribe, and share my channel to get more videos and free stuff like that. Thanks.